drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold.
To be doing a giveaway over on Instagram or buy my makeup vanities here. Really cute. Both seriously make everything look so much better. Look really good on my trees. I got 3 sets of them.
I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am really excited. We are gonna do a full cleaning of my house. We're gonna get all the decorations out. We're gonna get the Christmas trees up and just get holly, jolly, and festive up in here because I've been waiting a hot minute for Christmas and I can't wait. I am doing a gold theme this year, as you guys know, and I think it just looks so pretty in the house, which is why I wanted to start off with doing a giveaway for you. I usually don't start off my videos with a giveaway, but I do not want you guys to miss this. I hosted one over on my Instagram with GreenPan, and I asked them to do a second one for my YouTube fam. It's so exciting because these are my absolute favorite pans that I cook with every single day. You know, I've been loving the pink gold. I had them send me the white gold. This color, you guys, is gorgeous. So Christmassy, nice color that would go around year round. And also, if you don't want pink pots and pans, then I think this would be a good option for you. And I wanted to give you 2 options. So you can choose between the pink gold or the white gold for this giveaway. And all you guys have to do, comment down below. I wanna know what your favorite thing is to do during Christmas time. And that will enter you into the giveaway. I will be announcing the winner in my next video. For a bonus entry, make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram. I'll leave it down below. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. That's just always a must when entering a giveaway. But yeah, really easy. I wanted to quickly show you guys the pans behind me because I use them every day and they look so pretty in the kitchen. We have the pink gold and then the white gold. Seeing these pots and pans, they've been in my kitchen for a long time. I love them so much. And obviously the white looks just as good. It's so, I can't even pick which one I like more, honestly, because I like them both. Use them every single day. You guys have seen them in all my videos. They're amazing quality. And they all come with the lids as well, which I think just looks nice with the gold hardware on them. And the first time I got introduced to this brand was Crate and Barrels. I bought one frying pan and I used it for such a long time before investing into buying one myself. They are so heavy, like they are very luxurious, you guys. I promise you, you will love these pans. And I'm pretty proud of myself because my kitchen is very clean. I had to just like clean with you because I honestly feel like those are my favorite types of videos to watch on here. I will link everything for you. I also started using all my gold hardware, very Christmassy, very festive.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I miss you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Sophia lost her first tooth yesterday. I love having the Christmas tree on in the morning too, instead of like actual lights. And I'm having my coffee, about to take the girls to school, and I'm also getting my nails done today. I had a few inspo pics that I wanted to insert. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I wanted to do like sparkly snowflakes type nails, but I still have my boo nails, so I'm really excited to get some festive nails today. Also, I'm on the hunt for one more white bow like this. I wanted to get one more so it can go near the like side of the tree a little bit. I think it would look really nice, so I did want to find one more. They only had pink the last time I went there. Used obviously for my upstairs tree, and I filled my tree with such cute little ornaments. Too early for this. It is looking super festive in here right now. I'm so excited. Doing lots of cleaning and I'm really excited to get the tree up. Little coffee bar station. I just washed these 2 mugs. I don't know if I should have a Santa coffee or a gingerbread coffee. And the other thing I want to do today, I want to go buy hot chocolate. I've been craving hot chocolate and I want to do like a little cocoa area. The girls love hot chocolate. So let's do Santa. I'm going to do Santa today. So I've really loved doing a little bit of cinnamon on top. I also have new spice organizers. I'm gonna be turning this drawer I have here into my spice drawer, and then my coffee mugs are all gonna move into my coffee bar area. I was gonna do like a full mug video with you guys and like spice up my little coffee area. So I'm gonna be doing that later, but first I'm gonna do this tree. It's gonna take me a long time. I also bought this holiday eggnog. I'm not much of an eggnog person, but this one is really, really good. Let's use like a little bit in my coffee. So I just got these from Marshall's. I've been looking for this, just peppermint, candy cane, and I thought I could add this to my coffee. Like hot chocolate would probably taste better, but I mean, a little bit is not gonna hurt. I don't typically do like anything sweet in my coffee. Like I'll do 1 pump every now and then, but that's basically it. I also just put it in here, which I thought was really cute, with just a little gold spoon.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know. Pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for 2. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical. Yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. For all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're alright. You
all my
know
things were on this side. Bow section over here.
Christmas.
Bow right here. I put bow on my face right here. I've got tree branches, Nutcracker, Christmas tree. Just to go to do my coffee mug related. And I put my makeup brushes right here. Presents like this big Santa stuff for the girls. They are going to freak. They are obsessed with backpacks, and I think she got these ones because we're going to Disneyland and they have the little mini ears. They're so cute. I love, like, look at kids bags these days. Like, I didn't have bags like this when I was young. Then we've got some yummy candy. Like, look at all this pink candy. I've never seen this before. Rice Krispie strawberry candy bar. Like, what? And these right here, Disney princesses. She is just so sweet. And of course she knows my style. Like, this is all stuff I would have bought in the stores. Tree, it's so pretty. I love the gold. I love the pink. And then I've never seen these before. This looks like something that you can't get in Canada. You guys always get the better stuff in the States. But look at these bow wine glasses. These are so festive. So perfect for Pinkmas. Got me this really sweet birthday card. I love keeping birthday cards. I've kept cards since I was like a baby. I have so many birthday cards. So, and this really big luxe jacket. This is from Fashion Nova. And like, look how soft this is. Sweet birthday present. She is so kind. I'm gonna put her handle down below. She's on Instagram, and her beauty room is gorgeous. Like, I'm always getting inspo from her room, and she loves pink. She's super girly. Definitely go give her a follow, and it was just so sweet of her to do that. I have my little Gingy girl. Been trying to link one for you guys that's similar. It's very hard to find though. I just found this at Marshall's. She's so cute. I know, there's stuff everywhere. Just got back to a few stores. I am so excited. I found my last little haul of gold things that I wanted to find. On these are actually for outside. I wanted to put them in this nice gold holder thing that I got at Michael's. So I'll show you that in a minute. I'll be doing a giveaway over on Instagram. I did like a boo basket for Halloween and I wanted to do a Christmas one. So I went and got Ginger Girl because so many of you guys were asking me about her and I wanted to get one for you guys. So I got that. And then I also went back to Michael's. I got a few last things. I got this guy, which I noticed the sword was broken. Tell from afar. I got one more Nutcracker because I have one for downstairs in our kitchen, but I wanted to have one for my closet too. And I got one of these, which I already had one. And Michael's obviously had really good sales, buy one, get one. So I wanted to put one of these in by my makeup vanity. Here, I have been looking for big ornaments. You guys know I have a massive tree and you can see I'm already still working on it right now. I have the big bow on it, but I have to fill it. I have these, and these are the Samantha Pine. Came with 4. It's got gold, white, and silver. Look really good on my tree. So I got 3 sets of them. I just need big ornaments because honestly, it's gonna cost me way too much money to fill that tree. And it was beautiful when I bought it, but then like now I'm like, oh my gosh, it takes so much to actually fill it and it's not flocked. So it takes a lot of ornaments. I also found these at Beauclair Homes. I thought I could use them for like little brush holders. They're so cute. They're very adorable. Found 2 more of these little trees. I didn't know they came in both sizes because I have this one in my living room. Is this like broken? No. And I love the little feathers. I think they're so cute. And I got the smaller one. The other things I got here, I have been looking for a tray like this. I found it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. It's Victorian. It is going on my makeup vanity. I've been wanting to find one that I can put my makeup on for your wine. It's a little wine stopper. So cute. These I thought would be adorable. They're mini tongs, which I don't have any. And I thought these would be really, really nice to use in my kitchen. And then right here, I also got this mug for you guys. This is going to be for the basket I'm doing. Really cute. And it's been my favorite go-to mug. If you guys want to save a little bit of money on ornaments, I just made bows. I bought the ribbon from Michael's and they look so festive. Here are the gold. And then I also did the white and gold ones right here, which I think looks so good. And again, it's just really inexpensive because I noticed like how expensive ornaments are this year. It's crazy. Yeah, these are really, really pretty. And I'm just putting them all over the tree. It's probably going to take me a few of those to do the entire tree, but just wanted to quickly show you it's looking really pretty so far. Good morning. Just made myself a coffee. I am making the girls lunches right now for school. It is early, but I have my Christmas tree up and I'm really happy I'm getting there. The other things I picked up from Marshall's, look how cute this little sweater is. It has bows on the sides, which I think would look so cute for videos. I love the colors, like white and cream. Got that. Also got this for the dining room table, this tablecloth, which I thought was a really nice neutral tone. It's 34th and Pine brand. Also got more utensils yesterday because I wanted to get shiny ones. I also didn't get a big enough set because I'm gonna replace these and do like a little video as well. All the gold silverware. I have the mat. And then I really like this one too, and I got it for a good price. Good morning. I just made myself a coffee because we ran out of beans, so we had to go get them. But I thought I would have like a little Nespresso pot. I haven't had one of these in a long time. A boost of energy in the mornings, and I just got my Christmas tree up in my closet. This tree, it's so skinny, so it fits in spaces really nicely. I will link it for you guys, and I also have my big bow that I just bought. Okay, I think this is gonna look really cute. Bows seriously make everything look so much better. Okay, I am getting there. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I've done so far. I've been doing a reel and it's taken me a little longer than expected, but the bow honestly just made such a difference with the tree. I also have a lot of different tree branches that I used and pretty florals. Also got sent a bunch of goodies from Rare Beauty. I'm gonna save this for my, I want to do a giveaway, but with an assortment of things. So I cannot get this out. There we go. And I want to do a girly gift guide this year too. So I'm planning on doing that. I love their 4-in-1 mist. This is one of my favorites. Their lip liners. I wear their lip liners every day. And I got some new things that I haven't tried out yet. Look how cute this box is. I got sent this from Urban Decay. Teamed up with SC nail polish. Look how cute this is. It's funny because I'm about to go get my nails done. We have this really pretty pink color, the gel top coat as well that it came with. All nighter spray. Primer Potions is one of their eye pencils. Their palette right here. I'm gonna save some of this also for a giveaway. So cute though. I love the box. To try the Rare Beauty Illuminizers, but look how pretty that is. It looks so bronzy. I'm gonna take this on my trip. I'm so excited. We're going to Palm Springs and Disneyland with the whole family. Like my mom, my brother, his wife are coming as well. The girls are just so excited. We can't wait to go. But I wanted to do like a pack with me video for that. I think that would be a lot of fun. Just lots of goodies. I'm really excited to try some new products. I am going to end my video here. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and cleaning with me, getting all the decorations up. If you guys have not yet entered, make sure to enter my giveaway for this gorgeous, luxurious set of pans for Christmas. I'm so excited for it to go to one of my subscribers. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.